Welcome to Naveen TechHub, where AI meets real-world engineering.
Imagine hiring a new employee who starts completely blank every single morning. You have to explain the company, the project, and their job every day. That is how most AI chatbots operate today. But what if your AI worked more like an experienced engineer, someone who remembers yesterday's work, connects the dots, and grows more capable over time? When you use a standard chatbot, it takes your prompt, gives you an answer, and then wipes its memory clean. Once you close the tab, the context is gone. This animated diagram shows the difference. On the left, we see the standard linear chatbot flow. On the right is the agent loop. You give an agent a goal. It makes a plan, uses tools to execute that plan, observes what happened, and then loops around to adjust its strategy until the job is finished. This brings us to Hermes Agent by Nous Research. Think of Hermes as that senior engineer. It operates autonomously. It remembers how your project is built, and when it figures out how to solve a tough problem, it writes its own standard operating procedure, so it knows exactly what to do next time. Over weeks and months of use, Hermes accumulates persistent knowledge. It learns the specific quirks of your workflows. Because it remembers what works, it executes your daily tasks faster and requires far less computing power to get the job done tomorrow. To understand how Hermes pulls this off, we need to look at its architecture. The large language model itself is just the reasoning engine, the brain. It cannot actually do anything on its own until it commands external tools, which serve as its hands to type in a terminal or browse the web. As it works, Hermes relies on two specific storage systems. The first is memory. This is the what. Hermes saves specific facts, project details, and your personal preferences into a local database. These facts survive even when you turn the computer off. The second system is skills. If memory is the what, skills are the how. When Hermes successfully completes a complex workflow, it writes a reusable document detailing the exact steps it took. This creates a continuous learning loop. The next time you ask Hermes to do that same task, it simply loads the saved skill blueprint and follows its own instructions. It gets better at its job without anyone having to retrain the underlying language model. By keeping the reasoning engine separate from the stored facts and skills, Hermes can take on massive projects. It only loads the specific memories and blueprints it needs for the task at hand, keeping the system fast and inexpensive to run. Let's see how this works in a practical scenario. Suppose you want Hermes to compile a daily engineering briefing for you while you sleep. Hermes has a built-in scheduler. At 6 a.m., the system wakes up a fresh, isolated session. No human has to press a button. The agent begins its preparation phase. It checks its memory database to pull up the specific technical topics you care about, and then it retrieves the research skill it previously wrote for finding credible sources. Next is execution. Operating entirely on its own, Hermes opens a web browser, searches trusted sites, extracts the relevant data, and formats everything into a clear, structured report. Finally, the agent needs to hand off the work. Hermes uses a built-in gateway to securely route that finished briefing directly to your phone via Telegram, Slack, or email. By managing the timing and the delivery automatically, Hermes moves the human user into an oversight role, supervising a digital worker rather than simply operating a chat box. For heavy enterprise workloads, a single agent isn't always enough. Hermes can spawn isolated subagents. It can assign one subagent to research server logs and another to write code, letting them work on different pieces of a puzzle at the exact same time. But letting an autonomous system write code or browse the web requires strict boundaries. Production systems work best when we only give an agent the specific permissions it needs for a single task. This prevents an AI worker from accidentally deleting important files or crashing a live website. Working with teams of agents also introduces hidden communication breakdowns. This occurs when a scheduled task tries to share what it learned with another agent, but a built-in safety guard silently blocks the transfer. The task appears to finish, but the critical information never actually reaches the other agent's memory. Directing attention. This diagram shows that breakdown in action. On the left, a red security block cuts off the flow of information. On the right, we see a much healthier path where the system verifies that the data was delivered. To fix this, developers use a verification framework. They require the agent to check its own work, provide digital evidence that the file was saved, and then have a separate system review that evidence. This guarantees the data actually arrived where it was supposed to go. Building momentum. This is the reality of modern orchestration. You combine a language model with external tools, give it persistent memory, let it write its own skills, and schedule its own tasks. Adopting Hermes Agent means moving from a workflow based on simple questions to one built on actual responsibilities.